In the last couple of videos, we have been giving some focus to a particular graph from our interface, the displacement over force. However, there are other graphs equally relevant that extract different data from the shocks we're testing. So let's dive into them.
For a deeper insight about the force versus displacement graph, check out this video from our library.
The next type of graph we have available is the force versus the velocity. This graph overlaps the acceleration and deceleration stages of compression and rebound and can tell us if there are any inconsistencies, usually related to hysteresis, like shown here on the left of the graph. This graph has a standard and average layout, which makes it easier to compare several tests at the same time. It's also possible to have just the acceleration stages on display in case we want to analyze the main damping curve according to the velocity, which can be useful to compare several settings tested at the same speed. Then we have the force versus peak velocity. For this graph to show anything, we have to select more than one test at different speeds. This graph will connect the maximum force generated by each test and provide a broader picture of the damping generated by the shock, so it's especially insightful when we test a shock at many speeds.